Hello! To manage permissions on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll down and go into privacy protection, and here are all the permissions. So let's go in here, and as you can see, here's the permission manager and there are all the permissions visible. So if you want to change the permission, for example, of the location, you go into the location permissions, and right here you can see allowed all the time, permissions of the location for this application, allowed only while in use and not allowed. So for example, if I want to allow permissions for Google Maps, so let's go into find Google Maps right here, and I want to allow these permissions only when I'm using the application, I have to select this allow only while using the application option. And basically that's how we do it. As you can see, here is allowed only when in use option, and there are currently maps turned on. And if I want, for example, to turn off the permissions for the Google application right here, I simply select it and select the don't allow permissions. And you simply don't allow the permissions for the Google right now. And as you can see, there are no allowed permissions of the location for any application right now at all the times. So basically, it's all the same for all of the other permissions. For example, for the phone permission, you can disable access for the phone permissions of the phone application, as you can see. So basically, that's how to do it. That's how to manage permissions on your Xiaomi Poco X7. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.